Are you tired of writing to an audience of crickets? Do you wish you had a growing audience that comes back to your writing? Are you looking to create actual income to a genuine passion of yours? You might be a better writer than most people, but you don't get the income, eyeballs, or credit that you deserve. Let me pull up a chair right next to you and get real with you. No bullshit, no fluff, just straight truth. You don't lack the skill set of writing, you lack the skill set of marketing. It's not enough now to be a talented writer. Be a talented writer that knows how to sell your brand and market your content. In this article, we're going to be talking about 2 things you should start doing, and 1 guide to put it into practice. Ready? Let's get started. Not another diary entry. Any prominent writer should know from the beginning that writing for an audience is never about you, it's always about the reader. Even if you're writing a memoir, your audience should feel like your story is a story that they can relate to. Can they understand what you're feeling? Can your writing literally put them into your shoes? If it can't, you'll write with more eyes than U's and you'll keep the focus on yourself rather than your audience. Wait, hold up, who's my audience? That's another common error that is essential to know the answer within marketing. Know your audience. I won't go into the specifics because this article does a better job at explaining. https://medium.com/new-writers-welcome/guide how to conduct market research for your dream client, C 85-83b56-14d6. But in summary, you need to know who you're speaking to, where they hang out, and how your content can help solve their problems. If you need help to improve your writing, then I recommend taking Aodeji's course, F. Link. You can read my review on it here. Think like a marketer. Marketing is not hard, it just takes a little thought. At its basic core, marketing equals promotion. So you shouldn't be asking yourself, how can I become a better writer? You should transition to how can I become a better marketer? Thinking like a marketer requires you to investigate how you can create more eyeballs to your content. How can you create traffic to your writing? Maybe you need to repurpose your content to social media platforms? Maybe you need to write better headlines? Maybe you need to get creative and think outside of the box. Don't limit your content to one platform, your options are limitless, you just need to take action. These articles may help for content repurposing. https://medium.com/lifewithtina/list/content automation F902D67A0C06 source equals 3 column layout _sidebar. Action steps to become a better marketer. There are 3 essential steps that can help you become a better marketer. Step number 1, know your audience. https://medium.com/new-writers-welcome/guide how to conduct market research for your dream client, C 85-83b56-14d6. Create content that solves their deepest problems and position yourself as an expert to speak on the topics. Step number 2, create traffic. https://medium.com/new-writers-welcome/how to automate Medium articles to social media 5A0B1 FD19E1 source equals your story's page. Don't limit yourself to one platform. Repurpose your content across social media platforms. Bonus step, create content at scale. https://lifewithtina.medium.com/list/content automation F902D67A0C06. Being a writer/content creator requires you to be on multiple platforms at once. It feels like a full-time job when it shouldn't have to be. Automate your content creation and traffic to create income and traffic diversity. In summary, I've shared with you that the secret is not in learning how to become a better writer, it's in becoming a better marketer. Create content that speaks and solves your audience's problems. Finally, create traffic diversity by repurposing your content at scale.